ready to amplify your WhatsApp outreach and connect with your audience at scale. Let's dive into creating your very first broadcast template message on Wati in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Wati account and navigate to the broadcast section, which should be clearly visible in the main menu on the left side of your screen. Once you are on the broadcast page, locate and click on the New Template button, generally positioned to the top right. This will kickstart the process of crafting your initial outreach. You'll now see the template creation form. It's here where you'll give your template a descriptive name for easy identification. Select the appropriate category that best describes your message. Think marketing, transactional, or utility, and choose the language of your message. Now, craft your message in the body section. This is the heart of your broadcast. Remember that placeholders, like 1, 2, and so on, allow you to personalize each message with specific details such as names or order numbers. Ensure that you will input the correct number of placeholders with the correct value on your file. Customize your template further by adding a captivating header, maybe an image or a short video clip, and a professional footer to reinforce your branding. Just click to turn those settings on. Double-check everything for accuracy and clarity, then hit the Submit or Save button, and that's it. Your template is now submitted for approval by WhatsApp. Once approved, you can start reaching broad audience with personalized precision, all thanks to Wati.